welcome. Hello, can you make me this dessert? Smoothie with tapioca pearls. The fruit juice smells sweet and nice. Mango flavor. The iced blend is fun to grind. Lemonade can make the smoothie tastier. Which kind of tapioca pearls do you like? Cool boiled pearls in ice water will make them chewy and tasty. Make some garnish and double the flavor. The smoothie with tapioca pearls is ready. That's great. Let's serve it to our customer. There you go. Please enjoy. This is the best frozen dessert I've ever had.